Oh man.
They're like animals, eh? Oh.
That's not. Oh no! Get up! Ooh.
It's like dominoes. Like one goes down, they all go down.
Seriously. Oh my god.
Like, how do you do this? How do you get so excited for a sale that you see a human on the ground and you're like, I don't care about you. I'm gonna step all over your body so I get $10 off TV.
It's crazy.
Like, you can literally kill somebody doing that.
Oh my gosh. And those employees were like ready and they were not ready.
They thought they were, but they weren't.
They were like, we don't want this. We don't want to be here.
Could you imagine working at like a Walmart on a Boxing Day? Ugh.
Retail is already bad enough.
It's terrible, exactly.
Ooh.
And then on Boxing Day, it's even worse. What is going on?
This is nuts.
There's just so many bodies there. Like I think it was the girl in the green hat was trying to fight somebody else and they pulled them apart and then she tried to get back in there. That's because I didn't see anybody actually throw fists and hit each other.
No.
I just saw people like with their bodies kind of just shifting. You know what I mean?
Confrontation.
Of some kind, and people were breaking it up and then they're just going back into it. But yeah, that's welcome to Boxing Day. They break.
The doors, they're breaking.
Yeah, they're breaking. Is that glass or I think it's plastic? But still, that's like the kind of plastic that'll cut you open, isn't it?
Probably.
It's like plexiglass almost. It's like this, isn't it? It's like a foldable, thick glass.
Gosh.
Well, not foldable, but you know what I mean. Like it's like a windshield.
Oh my gosh. But there was like at the very beginning of that one, there was a guy who like saw what was about to happen and ran out. I was like, ooh.
Because you can see it at the beginning, it starts moving and then it just starts shaking and opening up. Oh,
and
crazy.
Why? Why?
That's
Just
what
wait.
I mean. It's like you're like.
Just wait.
What's happening, guys? Welcome back to Central. I'm one of your hosts, Jared Bronstein.
I'm Olivia Kozlowski.
Make sure you guys smash that like button, because you know what? Let's do it. Let's go.
You came to me first. No, he came. You talked to him. You started. I'm good. I'm not smoking. There's no nicotine in this. And don't come at me. You need to know. You need to know your division. I'm good with that. You talked to him. He started. I'm good with that. But he could have came at me in a better way. I'm a human being. You don't do me like that. I'm good with that. I don't mind that. I don't do it. Don't tell me. Really? You talk to him. He started. Don't talk to him.
Anything for a sale, eh?
Yeah, seriously.
Like, I don't know, again, I don't know the full backstory here, but.
No, I know. I wish I could know like what they're fighting over and stuff like that.
Isn't that worth fighting for?
That manager does deserve a raise though.
He was, yeah, very calm. It's like they're literally like climbing each other just to get a TV or whatever that is. What is that, a cabinet?
Oh. That's a Walmart.
Yeah, of course it is.
Ooh.
They're all going after the one, eh?
Oh my gosh. Oh man, I hate that.
Like, this just goes to show you that as a society, a lot of humans haven't advanced at all.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The
Yeah.
fact that you're willing to put yourself in danger for this, like, what do we value in life?
I'm at work. I'm at work. You keep paying me. Well, that's all right. That's all right. This woman came in here messing with me.
Oh my gosh. Does anything good happen at Walmart?
I think that was a Walmart employee though, right? Because she said, I'm at work.
Oh.
So I think it was an employee that was getting mad at a customer maybe? Which I don't really blame him because, like, you know, again, working at Walmart, especially on a Black Friday or a Boxing Day, any kind of sale, I wouldn't be nice about it. I'd be like, I don't want to be here. So don't come at me with your, you know, if I say wait in line and you're trying to rush in first, I'm gonna get pissed off.
Of course.
Because I'm already high alert, so.
Yeah, high alert.
Across the country, record crowds and wild scenes as frantic customers were determined to snag jaw-dropping
Like, look at
Black
this.
Friday deals.
That's insane.
Watch as merchandise goes flying through the crowds at this Walmart in Virginia.
I guess that's one way to do it.
But why not just like bring a box of your own and like that's easier than lifting a shopping cart.
Oh my god.
That's metal. That's like all metal and you're lifting it. It's a heavy, that's a hard thing to lift over somebody. So
strategy.
they're committed to getting the sales though.
seconds, Black Friday had descended into chaos. Shoppers openly squabbling over bargains.
Do you see that girl with the red hair? She's trying to get her hands on things. It's not like I touched it first, it's mine now. Like, these two people had separate boxes. This one girl's like, no, I want both. If my fingers get on, then they're mine.
And it's like a TV too. Like, she would not be able to reach over and pick that up.
Put your fingers on the tip of the box and pull it in.
Yeah.
Channel 13.
It's all over convertible car.
Channel 13.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Like 6 people, 1 box. Who's gonna win?
All over convertible car.
The people laughing.
And they're gone.
Holy smokes. Ooh, that was about to be a fight.
Yeah.
A third guy came
Yeah,
in.
the guy was like, back up, back up. And the guy got in his face. That's what I mean. It's like, is it worth it?
Worth it. Totally worth it.
What are you saying, $50? And especially if this is America, it's like, you go for your sale, trying to save 50 bucks. Let's say you get into a fight. Let's say there's nobody presses any charges, but let's say you need some stitches. Do you know how expensive it is to get stitches in America without insurance?
So true.
Just spend the 150 bucks, because you're gonna save a lot more money, man. Friendly piece of advice, guys, move to Canada, do whatever you want on Black Friday. You could kill somebody and it's fine, because you have free health insurance.
That's
joke.
not true.
It was a joke, it was a complete joke. I'm joking, I was joking.
Violent here at Central.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're breaking it. Let's go.
Oh. That felt like the teacher coming in, and they're
Drop
like,
it.
neither one of you get it
No
now.
one intended, yeah. But did you see how the box was really breaking open too? Are you going for a sale and you go so hard that you literally break the thing you're buying that it's not even worth it anymore?
You are a dog. As a child, you are not allowed to use profanity. No.
As the line moves.
No. Dude, stop saying the same word. No, I didn't. It's annoying. No, man.
Oh my god.
I love it. Don't use that profanity. You want to take it outside? Go. Stop using the same word. All right, guys. On that note, we're gonna wrap it up. I've been your host, Jared Bronstein,
I've been Olivia Kozlowski.
and we'll see you soon.
Imagine being so upset about electronics.
That's what I mean. Like, it's come on, guys. You have to come together and find a cure for that thing that's killing everybody.
Yeah, no kidding.
Knowing what we know now too, just being in large crowds in general, like you never know when someone has something. If someone's like got a cough or a flu or a cold or anything, like aside from the pandemic.
Seriously.
So looking back and seeing this in close proximity to people that, you know, I see a lot of people like wipe their nose, they don't do anything, they cough in their hands, and you're next to people grabbing the same stuff, like it makes you think, you know, before, how was I living life so like, well, whatever.
Honestly.
You know, how am I still here? Like.
Honestly.
You know what I mean? Think about
Honestly.
that. You get punched in the face, you punch somebody in the face, you cut yourself, anything happens,
Oof.
and you don't have health insurance in America, it's gonna cost a lot more than the sale that you're getting. So